Oh, the first day off, I don't know how much you're left. Staying at home because we are considered as contact cases. So no work for me and no work for Matthew have to be home. As you can see me in the bed, me now come out. Matthew's supposed to get tested tomorrow, Thursday, and me supposed to get tested on Friday before we can go back to work. People, when I lose habit of the home in the middle of the week, so I feel reckless like me now nothing to do. And when I work, me full of energy, up and about and do what I'm supposed to do. But now when I'm at home, I may have things to do. Spring I come up, me have spring cleaning to do. Me have things, you know. The weather change, beautiful days will come back. We have bright, beautiful sunshine. We have the garden to fix up, the yard to fix up, things to throw away. To prepare my summer gardening. And this will be our second time getting tested for COVID. The first time was horrible. I was scared to death. But this time around, here everybody thought, oh, them second and third and fourth COVID tested horrible because it hurt so bad. People, I'm afraid out of this world. Matthew, at first time Matthew get tested, but me and the kids already get tested because a couple months ago, last year, we did have a breakout at my job, so we had to get tested. And this year, the breakout is at Matthew's job. So Matthew is considered that as contact cases. And because we live together and I'm his wife, I fall in that category. So Matthew was at work yesterday and I told him to go home because you're considered as contact case because somebody has his job. He worked really close to that person. His wife catch COVID first, then him develop symptoms and get tested and came back positive. Now Matthew and Trey, the co-worker, have to stay home because I know me have to join them and pick my two pick them with me and carry them home. True, but as you might already know or you might already know or may not, every 6 weeks of France you get 2 weeks holiday break from school. So now we're on the 2 weeks holiday break from school. Alex him mad over the moon because I say why this couldn't happen during the time when school was in session. Why? Now that he have 2 weeks holiday break from school, he should be out partying and doing stuff with his friends, enjoying his holiday. And now COVID, you have to stay at home. Me laugh, people kind of funny, but trust me, not funny. It'll drive me crazy. It is driving me crazy. The Alex not having it at all. Anyway, I'll give you an update tomorrow when Matthew get tested, and then Friday I'm going to get tested. So y'all will know the result. But for the time being, we're at home. Today, I do nothing other still on the bed and I do nothing at all. But I think tomorrow and after tomorrow, I'm gonna start come out on the bed and start do things because if the test come back negative, then we're all going back to work Monday. That's the good news. So let's keep the finger crossed that we come back negative, both negative, so we can go on with our lives. Well, that's what's happening on this side of the world. Big bright sunshine out the door like we're in a spring already. I'm me in on the bed. I'm depressed. Oh, COVID. Oh, God. My nose. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you in another part of this video. So, Matthew, you're nervous?
Huh?
You're nervous?
No.
You're not nervous?
But I'm not no symptom. I feel good. I go get tested.
Well,
Hopefully.
me feel nervous for you, huh?
Oui, voilà.
Ça va monter
brown new.
Hmm?
In a brown new. That you feel never funny.
What that mean?
Always feel never.
Coucou Alex! Mon bébé Mathieu.
Ça va. Fais un peu attention aussi à ton nez.
Alright, Matthew, I'll get the test done now. Second day at home and look at the weather outside.
Yeah.
We wanted to do a barbecue today. We had beautiful sunshine yesterday. But no, that is not possible. It's not possible. Stay here, Samaya. Come on.
Elle est pas testée. Elle est pas.
Guys, it feels so weird to be home in the middle of the week like this. I'm in a vacation. It feels so weird. School now, keep school is out to see people at the lake fishing with their kids. Wow, some big butterfly fishes are going Maya. People with this fish. Come on, I'm not going too far. But the place seems so quiet, like everybody gonna work except me. What happened to need people? The place seems so quiet, like everybody gonna work except me. And people at the lake fishing with their family. I think I got too near them with my contaminated self. I should have said that. Because the power is in the tongue. Come here, we're going back home. Forgot the was one all about. You see the birds them? One just fly a while ago.
Regarde cette maison là.
Birds them are chilling in the treetop. Not the cool.
C'est une bonne comédie.
So what you pray for? What you pray for, Maya?
Elle peut pas te le dire, sinon ça va pas s'exaucer. You're not here, she tell you a while ago.
Yeah, but she still can't tell this. Log pass, huh? I think she pray for she should stay at home with her parents the 2 week holiday. Huh? That's a pray for?
Ça va pas s'exaucer. Je l'ai fait déjà.
Who tell her that, Maya?
Quoi?
Who tell her that?
Et ben, je sais que les vœux s'exaucent quand on le dit à personne, mais c'est personne qui me l'a dit. T'étais là, petit coquin, va chercher.
I second time I get tested, no?
Comme ça, t'as pas le rhume.
The first time, the other than this time?
Non.
Daddy, tu vas pas avoir le rhume.
Mais non.
But I see nostril she using it the last time.
Ah ben, c'est le same thing.
You did more scary this time or first time?
Que jamais tombe malade.
Ok, là, faut que je te le
You did more scary this time at
Mais
you?
not scary. Mais not scary at the test, mais scary at the result. And I will get positive. Start over my life full relax. What a question. And more than that, we want to get negative like that. We can't say anything about the tea time, distanciation and everything. That night time. And show everybody that now makes sense to fill up your bar and restaurant because
La tita, you will want to.
hein?
La tita, you will want to do.
No,
But we have tea in the morning time too, because the morning time when we reach our work, we take we do petit déjeuner after we start work. Huh?
Ça, c'est une toutes les journées. En fait, tous les jours maintenant.
But you get the result quick.
On peut regarder si j'ai un trou dans les dents.
Magosonic to Jérôme.
Mm-hmm.
Like that I'm gonna know it. But so me tell them tomorrow,
Yeah, but me go tell Jerome right now, so me not have to take my test tomorrow. Huh?
but yeah,
Me have to still take it down.
take it. Ah, what me do?
No.
Excuse-moi, non mais
Eh ouais, ça c'est cool là.
negative.
But why me have to still take mine tomorrow?
Because to make sure that you're negative.
Well, people,
Voilà.
Matthew, result come back, I'm Matthew negative. I still have to go do my test
It's
tomorrow.
so sad. You imagine me pass at that to 10 day cool relax on me.
Yes. Are you sad?
But yeah,
I'm joking, I'm kind of dying to go back to work like myself. Yeah.
no. But me not tell them before tomorrow.
You're not telling about your father.
Don't put that on away.
Yeah, but after you tell them it a go, huh?
America secret.
So people, Matthew negative. I got to do my test tomorrow. So come back negative because Matthew no corona. So that means I'm not having either. Although many may mix and mingle with the same people.
No.
How would you mix and mingle with?
No, I'm explaining with nobody.
But that did super quick though. They get the corona test. You do this morning 10 o'clock and what time now?
They should tell me said this evening
3 minutes past 3, get here ready. You do 10 o'clock this morning.
8:30, but me know that the test, the morning test left at 11 o'clock
Okay.
and reach to the lab. So if them are grip, them are pass them. If you're in the first one, you get it first. If you're in the last one,
So you say you never had this morning? It look a bit uncomfortable, but you never had.
well,
So I'm going to do my test tomorrow.
ça c'est cool. Ha ha ha. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You're going to do your happy dance?
No.
You happy laugh?
Me enough happy like that. Not too bad, huh? This is not only good. This is almost right. This is the best husband you could have get in your life.
Stay here at this.
You know how many men able to do it? Huh?
If them put their mind to that, they can do it.
That's the way I asked me to do that and somebody else.
Because we have work a man and one man alone, yeah?
I don't know. So I have to do it for me and my girlfriend then.
My friend.
I hate that shiny.
You have to do a second course.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one third one.
But yeah, white pass, you know, white pass back.
I don't know, Alright.
You know, don't care wipe up my finger like when somebody have with the
No,
finger.
me, I go do me them one next time, another time. And I go do it again.
You know, wipe out when you put it on the. No, Matthew, you have to wipe it.
Ah, don't wipe off it, no matter you have to
No,
wipe it.
don't wipe it off in the bottle.
Okay.
Voila, comme ça.
And I go drop on me after.
See, now I can't have somebody. Ah, that's it. You do something else, drop on you, not drop on you. Put it on the water, put it in the corner of my finger. Wipe. Matthew,
Like me put
Jesus.
in my corner.
Have I can. Come this one. Alright, guys, by the time I do it myself, huh? Can you have this color start to work now?
Even. They're good for the really bad things, but this one,
You know, I could do it in the corner, yes, sir. No! Yes, sir. Matthew.
my which corner?
No, it help me call me nervous to me test this at it help me call me nervous.
Ah, yeah? So where's part me do it then?
Yes, sir, me paint. If you paint it upward, come from.
That is. So now I have to take some pen teaching and yeah. Remember me tell you.
This is what happens when you have wife and you have daughter. Yes, okay.
No. This is what happened when
When you're a married man. Yes,
give me
okay.
it.
You see? You get like, you know, it's about gay.
No. I don't like it. I just want to do something.
Yeah, but me have
And
glisten all over my hand now.
no.
This one will do good. But
This
take your
one will
time,
do
do
good.
it. Take your time. For my nails alone matching, not all over my hand.
Yeah, but if you add a shine, come if you get one place. Come here.
Which part?
Carry them closer now.
No.
Allez, c'est bon, you're done.
Nasty.
Done.
No, me tell me the one on my face.
Yeah, she want to face. Yeah.
No, Sabina. What a bit, what a get in.
My nose are shine. Big nose must be shine. So you happy like that? You think that them are shine? You think that me prefer shine myself?
I say you go wipe off your nose, but all of them ain't wipe them off.
How are you, handicap?
No, me not detect, but I mess up my finger. When you go nail tech, you see? When you're done with the finger, then come back with something and wipe off all the way around.
How much you pay me for?
My whole life.
You full life? Oh yeah, how many give you me? You think that them pick me out come out? Man, full life me give you somewhere.
People, me there now. I'm scared out of this world. I'm scared of this world. I'm scared. Oh Jesus, people, me just do my test. Honestly to God, me feel like the stick of the woman put up in my nose will touch the back of my throat. Me have to hold her up on her hand and dry out myself and she here. Ah yeah, come. Just like the children. Woman, I know you feel you. Oh Jesus. I know you feel you. Right now I feel like this sitting up in my nose will still. Second time I get tested. I'm afraid to God me not to get tested again. Cause not even, yes, I'm afraid of childbirth. But I hope me not to get this testing no more. Never time in my life. Never in my life. Hello guys. So it's Saturday day 4 and my results are in. Let's check on the computer now. My results are in. Kind of afraid when the result will be, although my two wanted negative, so I guess my one will go negative too. But we just have to wait and see. Negative. Me too, I'm negative. Thank you, Jesus. So no more stress, me can go back at work, we'll go relax Monday morning. My results too are negative. Thank you, Jesus. Anyway, guys, thanks for subscribing to our channel. Thanks for leaving a comment. And thanks, just thank you overall for continue keep on coming back to this channel and show us your love and support. Bye, guys. See you all in our next video.